How do dinosaurs tell time?
How?
I have no clue, but I bet it's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's time for another DIS Unlimited happy hour. Hello everybody, it is Rhino. I am here today with Hannah and Chloe. We are in DinoLand trying to experience everything that we can while we still have it in one complete mess, or before it becomes a mess, I should say.
Oh.
Yeah, I know, I got weird there.
That was
but one of the things that I love about DinoLand here specifically is in the back of Restaurantosaurus, like a couple of years ago, they added this fun little area. It's not much to look at, but it is a lounge. And they have some fun themed drinks. Over here, look at this menu. Primordial booze, Tequilasaurus.
Tequilasaurus, that's me.
That's
Carnotaurus meteoritis.
fermented fossil, Carnotaurus meteoritis.
you,
And
old man.
you guys heard of this stuff? Beer.
Brewski beer.
Yeah. So I think while we're trying to give DinoLand all the love that we can, we're going to go in and check out Restaurantosaurus and let you know if it's worth a stop here or not. But before we get to that, I want to remind everybody that this and everything that we do here is brought to you by Dreams Unlimited Travel. They are experts at helping you plan the perfect Disney vacation. When you book with them, it costs you nothing extra on your trip, and you help support the channel and all the content that we produce here. So check them out, dreamsunlimitedtravel.com, for a free, no obligation quote today. It's also brought to you by our Patreon supporters. We couldn't do this without you. If you want to learn more about how you can get exclusive content from different members of the DIS team, you can head over to patreon.com/DISUnlimited. Now that I have said that, I have put off the drinks too long for Martini Mamasaurus
I know.
and
I'll go by
Chloe.
Carnotaurus meteoritis now. WebMD that.
I don't
That's what
know.
I
It
have.
sounds like a
That's what I have.
it sounds like a medical condition.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm proud of it. Proud of
She's
it.
got it. Do you have a cream for that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know where you put
Oh
it.
no. That got real personal.
Yeah, that okay.
All
Well,
right.
let's go in this bar.
All right, time for Martini Mom to turn into Tequilasaurus. Time to get T-Rex.
Yeah, good one. T-Rex. Oh, I've been waiting all day for this. Oh, I was looking for Easter eggs, but we're just on the backside of, not water, Restaurantosaurus.
It's literally just here.
That's wild. Chloe, geez, slam that door a little bit harder.
It smells weird in here, right?
It sure does.
But like,
What is that up there? I don't like that. It says we don't talk about Bruno.
oh no.
I think somebody put that there because it's her face
Yeah,
on
but
it.
that's foreshadowing. That's very sad. Oh.
I like that teeny dinosaur on the camera case up there.
What'd you get?
So y'all already know, Mama got the Tequilasaurus. It's so funny. It's $16. And look, he gave all of us little Mickey ears with the limes and lemons. I feel very special. So this is made, it's a tart margarita is how it's described, very tart. It is made with, oh, I'm gonna butcher this, Hedora tequila, Bowls creme, de cassis liqueur, lime juice, and sweet and sour. So it's, yeah, a little different, but it says it's tart, so let's find out together. It really is. It also is strong, guys. Like, I can't remember last time I've had a margarita at Disney where like I could instantly taste the tequila. So I'll have to look at the tequila and learn more about it and see what it's all about. But it does. It has that little bit of like peppery kind of flavor to it. The sweet and sour definitely hits last, which I like. It isn't as acidic. Like, it's tart, but it isn't like, you know, I need to grab Tums because you get older and you have issues with that. So I would recommend this. It's refreshing. I'm gonna keep drinking it, but I don't know. He hooks me up. This is a good margarita. It's a little strong, so I don't know if it's going to help or hurt my chances at the dinosaur games later. So tune in for that.
I have the Carnotaurus meteoritis for $15. This is bourbon sour, Old Forester 86 bourbon, lemon juice, strawberry puree, and sweet and sour, topped with Sprite.
Yeah.
Too much? Too much for Rhino?
Sprite. Gross.
Oh, I love Sprite.
Sprite has its moment.
This is good. It's refreshing, like Hannah's, I presume. And I mean, also special shout out to Christian, our bartender, who gave us all Mickey ears. Super cute.
So cute.
This is good. She's strong. She's strong. She's refreshing. I'm getting the strawberry puree. I have some strawberry seeds in my mouth.
Whoa.
I like that. It's very summery. I like it. I've actually never been here before, so thanks for bringing me here, guys.
What?
Yeah.
You've never been
Not
here
the
before?
lounge, no.
OMG,
I
this
know.
is like the Crocs all over again. I'm
I've seen
learning
the
lots
sign
of things
outside
about you, Chloe.
I've seen the sign outside for a while, but I never stepped foot in here. So
OMG, it is a vibe in here. And they've recently changed their menus. I wasn't familiar with these drinks, so maybe they'll even do it again. Wouldn't that be cool if they did farewell drinks? We could all pour one out for the Carnotaurus.
Yeah, you just buy it and dump it out.
Also, is this a diagnosis that I already have Carnotaurus meteoritis, or is this going to give me Carnotaurus meteoritis? I'd like to know. I'm down for either one. It's fine.
No,
I will take
you
the
got it
Carnotaurus
for sure.
meteoritis. WebMD, please.
Yeah.
Am I going to die?
No, you were born that way. Come on, you lush.
Like I said, Restaurantosaurus Lounge is situated in the very back of the Restaurantosaurus restaurant. There's a lot of the word restaurant in here.
Where is it?
It's the automobile area, the vehicle repair area way in the back here. You can come back through the restaurant or you can come through the door outside. But in here you're going to find a couple of tables. We've seen a live singer come and go. I didn't hear him sing anything, but he was like an atmosphere, a streetmosphere, a paleontologiphere, if you will. But there's a couple of high tops tables back here, and what's really nice is there are 4 signature drinks back here that are all handmade. And that is the Tequilasaurus, which you heard Hannah talk about, the Carnotaurus meteoritis, which you heard Chloe talk about. So the Tequilasaurus was 16, the Carnotaurus meteoritis was 15. There's only 4, so in the 3 of us, so I ordered the other 2 and we'll split the 4th one. Or maybe I'll just treat myself. I don't care. I'm here all day. And those are, I'll start with the first one, which is the bluest of them all, Abadi Abadai. This is the Primordial Booze. It is $15. It is flavored lemonade, 3 olives blueberry vodka, Bowls blue curacao liqueur, and Minute Maid premium lemonade with juices of lemon and pomegranate. Let me try it. I do like how it's blue at the top and then it goes into a deep purple, a little bit like a sunset on the Avatar planet. They're just blue. Their planet's not blue. I don't know. Very blueberry. I feel like there's a thing when I have 3 olives, which definitely serves its purpose. The thing about 3 olives vodka is I feel like you can find it in a lot of different flavors, right? And but there's a little bit of this weird artificial aftertaste for me, and I'm getting that a little bit. And this drink is definitely a little tart, but I think if you like sweet drinks and you like tart drinks, it's pretty solid. I mean, you can taste I know there's alcohol in it, and I feel like at Disney lately with the price hike on drinks, it's been I'm actually surprised these aren't more expensive because I feel like across property it's getting up to $17, $18, $19. Don't even get me started on the Enchanted Rose. But while I have you here, I'm actually going to have a sip of my other drink, which is the which is the fermented fossil. That is $16. It is a minty mojito with Diplomatico Planas Extra Añejo Blanco rum, mint, lime juice, and pure cane syrup topped with soda water for $16. It sounds refreshing. The only problem is rum and I do not get along because
Is there a story?
I get really bad heartburn from it for some weird reason. I don't know why. I sipped it too weird. I haven't had a lot of mojitos in my life. I don't know why I'm holding this phone like a claw. I haven't had a lot of mojitos in my life, but I'm going to say this is a really good mojito. I feel like sometimes when I have had them, it's way too minty, and that's why I'm normally not into it. I know it's crazy coming from the guy who loves a mint julep, and I do love mint. It's just sometimes I feel like in a liquor drink, they're using it to cover up the low quality of the drink. And this actually tastes really good. You can really taste the rum in this. And with the soda water, it's actually pretty refreshing. So if I were to say which of the 2 of these would I pick and get again, I think I would do the fermented fossil because it's lighter and it's minty and you're gonna smell great after. We are done with the Restaurantosaurus Lounge. We saw the Dino Institute intern come out and awkwardly start talking to people, and I was like, no ma'am, I'm out. I do not.
Chatting, not a lot of singing or performing.
Yeah.
So. But we know his whole backstory now.
Yeah,
he's an intern.
Yeah.
And he's hiding out. I guess they don't know about that little spot, so he hides out there so he doesn't have to work.
I'm not sure he actually even plays music. So, because I kept seeing him come back out, but I never heard a song whatsoever. So, it's whatever. I can't recommend my drink. The blue drink, I did not care for it. It had a little bit of thing, so I threw it away into Hannah's hands.
Yeah, it's full.
It is full. Yes. My mint one is making me sweat a little bit, so I fear it is doing that thing that rum does to me and gives me heartburn. But I tried Hannah's Tequila SARS, pretty solid.
Mine's gone,
Hers is
so
really good.
I think, yeah, I'm the winner here.
Yeah.
We got T-Wreck today.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
I think we definitely recommend stopping by here. Again, I felt like the drinks are like $1 or $2 less than they are in the rest of the park, and they're handmade, and the bartenders are always usually nice, and I'm sure you can just.
Premium liquor.
They
too.
did have
They
premium
had some good
liquor,
stuff.
yeah. There was a really good selection behind the bar, like across the board. So you can come and just get probably like a gin and tonic with whatever
with
gin you
Hendrick's.
wanted. Yeah,
They
with
had
Hendrick's. I know there was a bunch of different bourbons back there too.
Yeah, they had makers.
Yeah.
Or no, did they have makers?
I
They
think-
had Buffalo Trace.
Yeah, they have. Well,
Yeah.
that's a big deal too there.
Yeah, it
So
is.
yeah, I do think this place is a little light on like ambiance and a vibe, but it is a great place if you're looking. If it's like one or two of you, maybe 3 or 4 adults, like I think it's a great place to like step out of the sun and grab some shade and have a good drink. And the bartenders back there, in my experience, are always very nice. Christian, our bartender today, was great. Jimmy's one I see back there a lot, who's really good too.
Good tip, too.
Yeah.
So, okay, so for all you parents out there, one thing that you're going to be sad about is that the dig site, the playground, is going away soon. It is the best playground at Walt Disney World. Your kid's going to love it. But you know what? Sometimes mom's like, really, 3 hours here? But I got a tip for you. You can come over here and you can walk your drink over to the dig site. You can take your drink in there. You can take snacks in there. You can take food in there. There are picnic tables. So make yourself comfortable. Pull up a chair because you're going to be there for a while.
Yeah, well, I think that's a great tip. And I think that's a great way to end this video. So we'll be back with some more DIS Unlimited happy hours in the future. Please, if there's anywhere you want to see us go, leave that in the comments. And like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel. And don't forget about Dreams Unlimited Travel when planning that next Disney vacation. That is going to do it for us. We'll see you soon. Cheers, everybody.